Happy Easter Sunday po sa lahat ng mga manonood. Let us celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ at ating tunghayan ang ganda na itinatago ng Lower Antipolo Rizal dito lang sa Pagray Hills. And talagang napatunayan na 100% ang ganda ng overlooking dito sa taas. Na tunay nga na pet-friendly and super stunning ng natural scenery. So visit now at Cafe Florentine and enjoy with your moments, with your family and friends. And most importantly, we are celebrating the resurrection of Jesus and wiping our sins.